You want to focus on essential tasks for increasing productivity. But no matter how hard you try, you can't. You have deadlines, dream, ambition, but your brain? Scattered, tired, and distracted. Here's the truth, you're not lazy. You're just using a focus system that was never built for today's world. The science behind lost focus. Your brain evolved to chase novelty. Every scroll, every ding, every switch between apps is a dopamine hit. This trains your brain to seek micro rewards, not meaningful progress. And that's the core reason you can't focus for productivity. Your brain is in survival mode. It's not wired for depth, it's wired for stimulation. Common myths that make it worse. You've been told multitasking is efficient, motivation is enough, willpower will save you. But here's what neuroscience says. Multitasking kills memory and attention span. Motivation fades by lunchtime, and willpower gets drained like a battery. What you actually need is a system that rebuilds your brain's focus pathways. Rewiring your focus system. Here's how to fix your ability to focus for productivity. Use the focus anchor rule. Choose one task and set a 25-minute timer. That's your anchor. Nothing else matters. Go dopamine light. Before work, 30 minutes of silence before focus time activates the brain for deep work. Build a sacred workspace. No phone, no tabs, no guilt. Just one purpose. End with a small win. Your brain loves reward, let it finish proud. These simple steps done daily literally rewire your neural networks for long-term attention. What happens over time? Stick with this, because in just 30 days, you'll think clearer, work faster, and feel in control again. In 90 days, you'll enter deep work states, produce 3 times more in half the time, and feel flow like never before. You won't just focus for productivity. You'll focus with purpose. You were never broken. You were just overloaded. But now you know the truth. You can fix your focus. You can reclaim your brain, and you can finally become the version of you. You've always known this was possible. Subscribe to Emomind Vibes. New neuroscience-based breakthroughs every week.